So coming to the explanation part, header files are common for frame window application. So let's debug this application for better understanding. So start debugging. So at firstly we came to the MyApp application, MyApp class. So every application start from init instance. It is the entry point for the frame window application and step over. So So a new instance of my frame is created dynamically, and next it jumps to the my frame constructor, default constructor, and here we are calling a create method. Here two parameters and 0 it is default functionality to exit window, minimize and maximize window, and next it is untitled. It is the title name in our title bar, which our frame window displayed with this title name. And next, so here window is created successfully, and later we need to display the window by using show window. And here the pointer to the my frame, here the pointer to the my frame instance is assigned to m underscore p main window, which tracks the main application window. So it tracks the main application window. This is the common for every frame window application. And next, so here we are displaying the window will be here window is created, and we need to display the created window. So here show window helps to display the window. And next, returns true. After initialization returns true, the application enters the message loop. So here the application, after returning true, the application enters to the message loop where it processes user input and system events. So here we are not involving any of those kind of functionalities. So let's check our output. So here window is displayed with the default functionality, uh, exit window, minimize and maximize window buttons. Here you can check this minimize button, and this will be exit with untitled. Here you can see with the name untitled in title bar. So hope you understand the explanation. Thank you.